Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to this tutorial session. Sorry, I just received a shock now. Okay, welcome to this tutorial session. This session I'm going to take you through downloading and installing Visual Studio Code on your computer. So, quickly, without wasting much of our time, you open your browser on your PC. When you open your browser on your PC to download Visual Studio Code, type in this link here, https://code.visualstudio.com/download. When you type it in, you click on it. It's going to take you to this page. Look at this page here. Yeah, this is where it will take you to. Now, depending on the operating system you're using, if you're using Windows, you click on this link here. If you're using Debian or Ubuntu Linux, click on this one here. If you're using Red Hat, Fedora or SUSE Linux, click on this one here that has .rpm. If you are using Mac OS, you click on this one here that is under the Apple, the half-eaten apple, not up to half-eaten apple logo. I don't know why the Apple logo will be half-eaten. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm using Windows operating system, so I'm gonna click on this link and wait for it to start downloading Visual Studio Code for me. Okay, the page has loaded and it is downloading Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I already have it downloaded, so I didn't want to take us through the process of waiting for that one to finish downloading. So without wasting much of our time, I will click on this open. Check this, you see the open written under it. Click on it. It will take you to this site. Sorry, this is not a site. It's the setup process. If you like, maybe you might want to read through this license terms and all the blah 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 under it. But for me, I don't have all that time, so I'll just click accept the agreement. Click next. Then I will tick the create icon, create desktop icon, and also I will. Okay, here are the free options you can add to. You can add VS Code to your part when you click tick it, but I don't want to do that now. You can also add open with code action, these ones, but it's okay. Any one of them you want to add. If you want to add any of them, you click on it. But for me, I'm going straight to installation. When I click next, this is it. Then click on install. Okay, now it's going through the installation process. When this bar loads to here, will be done. So wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. We are almost there, we are almost there. God of mercy, my system is having issues. I mean, it's giving me electrical shock. Need to figure it out, to figure out the hardware issue with this system. Done. So we are done setting up Visual Studio Code. If you want to launch it, you tick this here. If you don't want to launch it, you untick it. But here I want to launch it, so we'll be sure. When I click on this, they finish. That's it. It will open Visual Studio Code for us, and this is it. So we now have Visual Studio Code installed. Congratulations if you followed this video to this level. You now have Visual Studio Code installed now. Thank you. Our next tutorial session, I'm going to teach you. Okay, sorry, I will do it now. So here on VS Code, click on this. Look at it, this icon, this thing that looks like a Windows icon. Look at this. If you want to run your Jupyter environment on Visual Studio Code, you might need to install these extensions, but for now we don't need it. For this tutorial, I installed it for my own purpose, not for this tutorial purpose. Now look at what I recommend you to download. This one here, the Python here. So when you click on this Windows, this thing that looks like a Windows logo but not really, then come over here, type Python over here. When you type Python, it will bring it out. It will bring out that extension. We are trying to install Python extension for Visual Studio Code. So when it brings out Python extension, look at it. Yeah, thank you. Either you click on this, install the Python debugger, and one of them, these ones follows. I think either the Python debugger, if you click on it, it will install these ones, these three as well, or is it the Python that you click on and install these three? Sorry, I've forgotten about that. So just make sure you have Python, and it's Python and the Python debugger. Install, click on the install, look at the install button. The install button didn't show for my own because I've already installed it. So click on that install button. It will set up an environment that will automatically run your Python code when you click on this button here. If you don't have it installed, you won't see this button in any of your Python while you are running a Python file. So without further ado, so when you have installed it initially without creating any file on VS Code already, this is what you will get. VS Code will land you on an interface like this. So when VS Code land you on an interface that looks like this, you want to run a Python file. You want to make sure after downloading the Python and installing Python, yeah, you want to make sure that you have Python running on your VS Code. Click on this new link. Sorry, what am I saying? Damn. I mean, click on new file. Now you type in the name of your new file. Me, I'll just name my own new.py. This is the place it wants to save the file. Yeah, let it save it there. Now to make sure that Python is running, we are gonna print hello world. So you do a print statement here. print hello world. Go to this section, click on it, then wait for it here. Wait for it here. Good. Look at it. It has printed hello world on the Python terminal. Sorry, not a Python, on the PowerShell terminal. So with this, if you get to this level, you have successfully installed Python and set up a Python environment on your VS Code. Thank you for following through this session. Our next session, we are gonna talk about Python variables and data types. Python variables and data type. Thank you, everybody. See you next time.